Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add raw color of table in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add raw color of table. Now select from a insert menu option, then click for a table option. Now select from a row and column, that is, then issue. Now select from a table. Now click for a line color. Now click for a black color and click for a borders option, then click for all border option, that is, and add raw color. Now select from a any raw. Now going to the fill color option, then any choose color, that is, then again another raw. Now for select, then click for a fill color option, then any choose color, that is, then issue another raw color and now apply from same process, that is, then issue. Add raw color of table in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.